So, ayan guys, let's eat. Ito, sisig, pork and tofu din, fried rice, and meron akong Coke. Ayan, small size lang ito. Let's eat. Tayo lang ako guys kay may aso. Yum. Saan nyo ba? Yummy. Prinito ko pa lang to guys. Both. Tapos, tinimplahan. Abangan nyo kung paano ko ito niluto. I will show you. This is tofu. Pork. Spicy. And ating fried rice. Good. Perfect. Pasensya na kayo sa aking background guys. Medyo maingay kasi nanonood ng TV yung partner ko. Good. Yum yum. Perfect. Dito lang magtatapos ang aking video. Sana nagustuhan yung ating mukbang for today. Tatapusin ko lang to and goodbye everyone. God bless you.